If you've landed here, you're probably seeing the error message. We can't activate Windows on this device as we can't connect to your organization activation server. This can be super frustrating, especially if you've just bought a new PC or reinstalled Windows and now your device isn't activating properly. Don't worry though, in today's video I'm going to walk you through some steps to fix this issue and get your Windows activation back on track. Now, first things first, let's check the current activation status of your Windows installation. To do this, press the Windows key and type activation settings. Then click on the activation settings option. Here you should see a message about whether your Windows is activated or not. If you see the error message, you'll know exactly what we're dealing with. Sometimes the issue can be caused by a poor internet connection, so before we try any technical fixes, double check your internet connection. Next, if you're using a VPN or a proxy that could be interfering with your Windows activation process, these tools make it appear like your device is coming from a different location, preventing Windows from connecting to the activation service. Try disabling your VPN or proxy and then restart your computer. One of the most common reasons for this error is that your device is linked to an organization or work school account that's preventing activation. If this is the case, you need to remove that account from your device. To do that, what you need to do is go to settings, select account, then click on access work or school and simply click on remove for any work or school accounts listed over there. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Microsoft support. There may be an issue with your product key or account that only the team can resolve. And that's it. Hopefully one of these steps has helped you fix the Windows activation issue and now your device is activated and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.